rinse it right now. We mixed it before cutting it, so I still want to do that. So the spinach that I'll be adding to the okra is ready. I already picked it from this. I bought it from the market, so I cut it into pieces. This is the okra already. So this is the spinach, this is the okra. And this is the locust beans. I'd like to eat it after we took food, locust beans. And some stockfish to give it some taste. So I'll be adding granite as well to it. The granite also brings out the taste. Now I'll be adding some vitamin as well to it. The water was finished, so I just quickly put that one there. Is it still coming out? You have to put it inside the bowl. Don't worry, I will let you see the outcome of this when it's done. Just stay back. Thank you.